Hey guys, welcome to Circle7Land.com. My name is Scott, and today we are looking at our featured property of the week. We are looking at 40 acres in Chambers, Arizona, and excited about this property. We just had this property hit the market, and it's got some unique features that I think you're going to like, some things we don't normally see quite as often on other properties that we have. So let's dive right in. From our Circle7Land.com website, you'll hit search listings, which will bring you to our listings page. And we're looking at this 40 acres here in Chambers, Arizona. This property is offered at $12,999 and has some great features here. So as always, we have actual photos of the property. So as you come here, you'll begin to see actual photos. We have photos of the property, photos of the road in and out, lots of the features. Now this property actually, you're going to see this photo here. This property actually has power. That's one of the things that makes it unique, and we'll look at that here in just a second. But first, I want to show you how to get to the property, show you where it's at, and we're going to do that a little bit different today. If you look as you're looking at these pictures, and again, this is on the property page, all of our properties, you're going to see some photos, you're going to see a property description, you're going to see what's close. We've got a ready to buy option here, and then on down below, there's some more property details, and you can utilize this click here for directions. Really more what this is for is at this point is the GPS coordinates. These are the kind of the four corners of the property. So if you're ever wanting to go out and take a look at our properties, it's a good idea to do your research before you head out so that you know where you're at. It's easy to get turned around when you're in unfamiliar territory. And so if you kind of do your homework ahead of time and really research where the property is, how to get there, and then once you get there, whether you drive or walk, you're able to kind of utilize these four GPS coordinates to kind of give you an idea of the four corners of the property. But today, rather than go that direction, if you look over here, you're going to see a little icon that's called Map View. And if you'll click on that map view, it's actually going to just bring up where the property is at right here on the property page. And so we're going to back out and kind of do the same thing that we normally do. It's just a little different in that we're not leaving the website here. So here we are in Apache County, and Apache County is halfway between Albuquerque and Phoenix along I-40 here. You'll see a lot of our properties down in here, maybe closer to the St. John's area. And we really like this county. We like Apache County because there's really very little restriction for what you can do on your land. And so that's one of the reasons you say, why are we in Apache County so much? We really like it out here. As far as any of you that are looking to homestead, do some off-grid type building, there are a lot of options, and it's a really pretty area to do that. And so that's one of the reasons. But this property in particular is actually north of I-40. And so if you'll look in as we zoom in here, you're going to come down I-40 and you're going to see the Navajo Travel Center here. This property is only 7 minutes from the Navajo Travel Center. And what's really good about that is you're going to find a lot of your necessities, some light groceries and snacks, gas, even produce here at Navajo Travel Center, 7 minutes away. And so as you exit there, you're going to jump on this County Road 7007, and it's actually going to bring you right to the property. And so that's what's really nice. Let's switch over to the satellite view. So that's what's really nice about this property is great access, but you're not that far away from jumping on a main, basically this is old Route 66 here, main interstate to get wherever you need to go. So this is a really nice property that's got that seclusion and privacy that you're looking for, but you're not way out. And so if that's kind of what you're looking for, this is a great property for that. You're going to see from this view, you actually have a couple of neighbors. You've got a neighbor here, and then you've got a neighbor right up here. So for those of you that are dreaming about homesteading, you're dreaming about, hey, I'd like to get out and do an off-grid type situation or build a cabin or something. These people have shown that it can be done. They've done it. It's also nice to be out, have the privacy that you're looking for, but also you know, have some neighbors close and there if you should need them. And so it's a great property. As we jump back over to our pictures here, I wanted to show you again, this property, 40 acres, has power. So as we kind of go through some of the pictures, you're going to see some really pretty, we've got some junipers out here, some vegetation, some really nice views, really pretty views out in this area. And as I scroll over, I want to get to, there's a couple of pictures I want to get to. Sorry, don't want to make you all sick here, but I need to jump through. We have so many pictures. That's what we really try to do, is give you lots and lots of pictures of the properties so that you get a really good idea of what it is that we have available. This particular picture here, you can see the power lines. These power lines from this view is actually on the east side of the property. So you actually have power on two sides of this property. You have it to the east, running north and south, which is what this picture is. And then you also have it on the south end of the property, which is this view here. Jump back. You can see these power lines. This is on the south side of the property running east to west. So you have power on two sides of the property. That is really pretty unique. You know, you might have a power pole close on a lot of our properties that we see, but to have power lines running down two sides gives you so many options with regard to where you build and having that power access. And so if I jump on over here to this view, let's jump out just a little bit further. So this view here, again, you can see County Road 7007. As you come over, then you've got the property. So you've got great access. The road is a great access here to your property. No problems there. And then those power lines we were looking at run east to west along the south side, and then north and south along this east side. So you've got power along both sides, which is pretty incredible. You know, this area is great. We see sometimes if you're a trucker, maybe looking for some property to stop off. Wow, what a great spot with the travel center there close. Give you an opportunity to maybe spend the night and grab your mail, then head on out. Great spot for that. We also, I wanted to jump over real quick. Again, we provide a lot of different pictures here for you to take a look at, but you're also going to see, this is the very last picture. This is the plat map. We like to include that. I know it's a little blurry here, but we like to include that because it just shows that the survey has been done and that this is how the property is divided. We provide all of these pictures so that you can see exactly where your property is in relation to other properties. And so it's a great spot here. You are, as I look down here through the description, you're 7 minutes from the Navajo Travel Center, like we talked about. You're just 20 minutes to the post office and groceries in Sanders. Sanders is where the local school district is at. You're less than that from Chambers, probably 10-12 minutes from Chambers, but then on the other side of Chambers then is Sanders. And so you're just 20 minutes from the petrified forest, a couple hours from Flagstaff. This is a really good spot because it's, again, you're not way out. You are you're very close to the interstate here, but it's completely private. So great access, power, and you can jump on the highway and be headed to really anywhere that you need to be. So it's a great property. We are offering it at $12,999 plus the $299 for closing. So again, if we go to our ready to buy page or section of the property page, you can see it's you can pay the $495 for easy checkout. That reserves the property, basically takes it off the market, get your name on it so that no one else can grab this. And then we work to close in less than 30 days on all of our properties. The discounted cash price, $12,999 plus $299 for closing. Then we also have our monthly installment pricing. There are different pricing options there based on what you might have for a down payment and then what you can possibly afford on a monthly payment. We like to work with our clients as much as possible so that what we do is we actually provide some options there for you that you're able to choose one of those that makes the most sense for you. So any questions at all, again, please let us know. We're here to help. We have lots of property options and we would love to help you find the land you're looking for. So give us a call, shoot us an email today if you're interested in this property or any of our properties. Give us a like on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would, and we would greatly appreciate it. Other than that, we appreciate you guys. Stay safe out there. We hope to see you soon.